Stop for a moment. Just stop. Close your eyes and listen to the sound of my voice. Have you ever felt like there is a wall, a thick, invisible wall between your thoughts and your mouth? You read English perfectly. You listen to podcasts and understand every word, but the moment you need to speak, that wall goes up. Your heart beats faster, your palms sweat, and suddenly you feel like a child who has forgotten how to talk. If you have ever felt that frustration, I want you to know something right now. It is not your fault. You haven't failed. You've just been using the wrong map. Today, I'm going to give you a new map. This isn't just a lesson, it's a journey. We are going to break that wall down, brick by brick. By the time this video ends, you won't just see English as a subject you study, you will see it as a life you live. Stay with me, because every minute of this script is designed to retrain your brain to think, breathe, and speak in English. Let's start with the foundation. Why do we find it so hard to speak? It's not because your vocabulary is small. It's because your fear of judgment is too big. We are terrified of sounding stupid. But let me ask you, how did you learn your first language? Think back to when you were 3 years old. You didn't know what a subject-verb agreement was. You just wanted water or a toy. You made thousands of mistakes, and everyone clapped. To become fluent in English, you must find that child again. You must give yourself permission to be bad at English so that you can eventually be great at it. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are the evidence of growth. From today, your motto is, I am not seeking perfection, I am seeking connection. Most people think they need to move to London or New York to learn English. That is a myth. I have met people who lived in the USA for 10 years and still can't speak well. The difference? They created an English bubble. First, look at your phone. You check it 100 times a day. Change its language to English. Let your eyes see settings, messages, and notifications in English every hour. Second, become the narrator of your own life. When you are cooking, talk out loud. I am chopping the onions now. The water is boiling. It sounds silly, but you are doing something magical. You are connecting physical actions to English words. This bypasses the translation center of your brain and builds a direct link to your subconscious. Now, let's talk about vocabulary. Most students learn words like they're collecting dry, dead insects in a jar. Table means this, happy means that. This is the slowest way to learn. Your brain loves stories. Instead of learning a single word, learn collocations, groups of words that naturally hang out together. Don't just learn decision. Use the one-word-a-day method, but do it with passion. If your word of the day is exhausted, don't just say it. Feel it. Say, oh my goodness, I am absolutely exhausted. Use your body. Use your emotions. The brain remembers what it feels, not just what it sees. Let's address the monster in the room, grammar. Many of you are paralyzed because you're thinking about 12 different tenses at the same time. Stop. Communication is about being understood. If you use the wrong tense, but your meaning is clear, you have won. Native speakers break grammar rules every single day. Think of grammar like the salt in a meal. A little bit makes everything taste better, but you don't want to eat a bowl of salt.
Focus on chunks. If you listen to enough English, your ears will start to tell you what sounds right. You won't need a rule book. You will have an intuition. How do we build that muscle memory for speaking? The mirror technique. Stand in front of the mirror for 3 minutes a day. Look yourself in the eye and talk. Talk about your dreams or even what you ate for lunch. Why? Because it builds confidence. You see yourself as a confident English speaker. The recording technique. Record yourself speaking on your phone, then listen to it. Yes, it will be uncomfortable, but listen carefully. Where did you stumble? Then find a clip of a native speaker and try to shadow them. Mimic their speed, their emotion, and their pauses. This is how you find your flow.
This is the master level. If you translate from your native language, you will always be slow. It's like trying to run through water.
To think in English, start with single-word thoughts. As you walk, name things. Tree, car, blue sky. Then move to simple sentences. The dog is fast. I like that car. Finally, move to internal debates. Should I buy this coffee? Well, I already had one today, but I really need the energy. When you have these conversations inside your head, you are training your brain that English is not a guest, it is a resident. It lives there now. Conclusion. The journey of 1,000 miles. My dear learners, if you are still listening to me, you have something special. You have grit. You have the desire to change your life. English is more than just a language. It is a key that opens doors to new jobs, new friends, and a new version of yourself. Don't look at the mountain and cry about how high it is. Just look at your feet and take one step.
Practice today. Make a mistake today. Laugh at yourself today. Every time you speak, even if you stumble, you are winning. If this journey touched your heart, subscribe and join our community. Write a comment below in English and tell me, what is the biggest dream you will achieve once you are fluent? I want to read your stories.
I am John. This is Daily English TV. Believe in yourself, because I certainly believe in you. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep growing. I will see you in the next one.